Today, I'm at the Biloxi Manufactured Housing Show in Mississippi, and this is the Manning from Champion Homes. What we're looking at here is over 2,000 square feet, in which they've got 4 bedrooms and they've got 3 bathrooms. On top of that, there are a couple exciting surprises along the way, so yeah, let's check it out. So the exterior of this home is finished with the vertical vinyl siding. They've got the black trim up top, black trim below, and wood accents on either side of the window for most of the home. And then when you get to the entryway, it changes a little bit. So they've still got the wood accent, but they go with the black vinyl siding and just adds a little bit of pop to the front of the home. That's accented again by the black door. Covered porch right here, perfect spot to sit and think a few of your thoughts that need thinking, if that makes sense. This is one of the spaces that I like in the home that's kind of unique. So it's a proper entryway, really, is what it is. So you don't land into a fully open living room. You've got this space to kind of gather your thoughts, take off your shoes, hang up your coat, store your things before you enter the rest of the home. And I kind of like it. From here, we can go into the kitchen or we can go into the dining room, and I think that's where I would like to start. So they've got these accent lights on the wall here. That looks kind of cool. And the dining room opens into the living room. They've got 4 windows running down this section of the home. And they've got the tray ceiling with the wood accent, pot lights in there, and of course, they've got a ceiling fan as well. Moving down, we will get the first look at the living room. They've got the electric fireplace there, TVs mounted, and this space opens then into the kitchen. Look at all of the storage in this kitchen. I hope you got a lot of stuff because you're gonna need to fill these up. All right, so on the left-hand side, let's begin. A bank of 3 cabinets, or sorry, I thought it was 3, it's actually 2. I was not expecting this at all. So that pulls out like so. I don't know that I've seen that before. And if I did, I just don't remember. They've got some pots and pans drawers right here. An open cabinet beside a 2-door cabinet. Drawers and cabinet down below. Stove with the vent up above. Have a look at this backsplash. It's gray, but also has kind of a glassy look on it. And as I come around, we'll see the cabinets up top go from, we've got a combination of white above and green down below. Didn't notice that at first. Nice big sink here with the window up above. And then we've got the refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave over here, along with, you guessed it, more storage. On this side, we've got kind of a closet slash pantry right here. So there's a countertop, there's some open shelves, and there is somewhere to charge a vacuum cleaner, which is always handy to have. Heading down this way, this is the side that has bedrooms 2, 3, and 4. So we've got the back entrance here, laundry room with the laundry sink. Above, more storage. Then you've got the washer dryer section right here. So this is where all the laundry is going to happen. Back door out there. Not going to open that because the first step's a doozy. Off the laundry room, so we've got 2 entrances into bathroom 2. Tub shower in here, toilet obviously, and then the vanity there. 2 lower cabinets, bank of 4 drawers. Boom. Across from this, we've got 2 bedrooms separated by a closet. Look at that. I was expecting it to be more of a linen closet, but that's somewhere where you can hang jackets or clothing. All right, so this is bedroom. Okay, I'm being caught off guard all over this home. So bedrooms 2 and 3 share a bathroom. This is a 3-bathroom home, isn't it? Okay, that makes a little more sense. Wow, this is cool. Now, we've got the 4th bedroom over here, which means we got to head down to the other side and check out the main bedroom slash ensuite in this home. One more look at the kitchen there. It's a dining room over here. Right off the dining room is the main bedroom, the biggest bedroom of them all. And I'm guessing this bathroom is going to be deluxe as well. Let's have a look. So, yeah. Got the bifold barn door. That's kind of cool right here. And that opens into a full walk-in closet that seems like it's never going to end. Look at this. You got shelves back here. You got a place to hang right there. Another place to hang over here. And we've also got the soaker tub with the window right there. Black cabinets in here. So you got 2 banks of 4 drawers, 2 lower cabinets, 2 sinks, 2 mirrors, 2 of everything in here. Not 2 showers. You just have 1 big shower. But look at that. Cool. All right, what's this? Of course, I should have guessed it. You have got a toilet in the bathroom. Wouldn't be a bathroom without it. All in all, at 2,071 square feet, this is a cool layout, and I think it works very well for a family. There is a lot going on with the Manning, so I thought, you know what? I think I better bring up the floor plan so people can take their time, have a look at the layout, and just really get a sense of what they've got going here. While I do that, this is always the perfect time to hit the like button or subscribe to the channel. And if you do, I will talk about the pricing. Just kidding, I'm talking about the pricing either way, so let's get into it. The Manning starts at $170,000. Now, if you need more time with the floor plan, feel free to pause it here because I'm moving on. There you have it, folks. The Manning from Champion Homes. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms in over 2,000 square feet. I hope you enjoyed the tour. That is it for me here today in Biloxi. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.